size can be customized and make the logo. The material is acrylic. When the client places the order, our seller aids the production. This is our production process. Cutting material. Paste acrylic. Install the accessories. Testing. Packing. We pay attention to every detail of operation. Foshan City Baojiali Household Co. Ltd is factory to produce the LED acrylic water bubble wall decoration and LED glowing furniture with more than 11 years experience. Let's show the production process. Follow for more about the customized service and product showroom. Please visit our Alibaba shop. Thank you for your watching.